Hey everyone. Again, we're still doing exercise 4, and if you've watched my previous solution, you would recall that on this exercise I had two variables called numerator and the second one called denominator. But there's something that is not considered as a good practice on that solution, and that is to have variables that will only be used once. You see, you've got to first understand the whole reason behind having a variable in the first place. You store something in a variable if you want to later reference it. Meaning there's absolutely no need for one to have a variable if whatever the variable stores will only be used once. Okay. So what does that imply? That simply implies that the best way of doing things in this case will simply be, again, if you recall, I mentioned something about the importance of using brackets. Okay, so on my numerator, I'll simply go 512 minus 282. Okay, then on my denominator, I'll go 47 times 48, 47 multiplied by 48, minus what, or plus 5. You see, in this case, it is crucial that you use your parentheses, because if you don't, I'm telling you, we'll get something weird, super weird. Okay, very weird. Okay, something that you did not expect. Okay, so let's try it out. Boom, again, you're getting that number, the 1017 number, 0.1017, which is the very same thing we have right there. Okay, I don't know, in case you think I'm messing with y'all in regards to the importance of using brackets, let me just get rid of them so that you'll see what's going to happen. You see, we're getting something else, not the number that we expected, so that is why we've got to restore the brackets and then run for the second time, just to make sure that we're getting this number here. Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Okay. In fact, on the next one, that's where I'll make sure that I have an answer that is precisely the one they gave us right here. That is 0.1017. Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. See you on the next